everyone! Today we're going to design a super cute phone together with funny details. Start with a rectangle with slightly rounded corners to create the outer border of the phone. Next, draw a smaller rectangle inside, forming the phone screen. Create two eyes with two large circles above the screen. Add two smaller circles in each eye to create a sparkling effect. Below the eyes, draw a gentle curve to make a smiling mouth. Below the mouth, add a long, curved tongue to create a playful look. Add two rosy cheeks by drawing two small circles near the mouth. Add the apps. Heart app, a small heart in the lower left corner of the screen. Navigation app, a compass icon next to it. Phone app, a phone shape in the lower right corner of the screen. Draw a small circular power button below the screen, in the middle of the phone. Finally, create two small bear ears at the top of the phone, one on the left and one on the right. Now, let's color this cute phone. Use bright blue for the eyes to make them sparkle. Choose red for the cute tongue sticking out. Add a little soft blush to make the phone even cuter. Choose dark blue for the eyebrows, creating a lovely look for the face. Red for the heart app, making the phone warmer. Use blue to highlight the navigation app on the screen. Green for the phone app, bringing a fresh look. Choose pink for the power button below the screen. So cute! Light yellow for the screen background, making the phone more vibrant. Choose yellow for the bear ears on the phone. So funny. Finally, use blue for the phone border, creating a striking accent. With just a few simple steps, our phone has become super cute. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other interesting drawing videos.